Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write Python code to send file, and in other video, we are going to write a code to receive a file. So that will be our text file for now. Send file. We are going to define our function. We are going to pass in a file name of type string, and we are going to pass in uh, the name of the file, myfile.txt, and we are going to do a variable of type bool set to false initial value, and we are not going to return anything. And we are just going to import socket, and we are going to reserve a port for our service. 1 2 3 4 5, just a random number. And now create a socket object. Socket. Now we are going to get the local machine name. That will be our host. Socket.get host name, and we are going to bond it to port. Fine. I need to pass in host and port, and we are going to wait for client connection. So that will be sock.listen. And we are just going to print some message. Server listening. Server started and listening. And we are going to add a while loop and set to true. Then we have a connection. We are going to establish a connection with the client. When the client sends the request, we're gonna do sock.set, and then we are going to print f string. We're going to print dot connection from, and pass in the address, the client address, and we are going to do data con dot receive number of bytes, and then we are going to do print some message, and this will be, and we and now we are going to use open the file with open, and this is the file name in a read binary mode as in file, and we get the data file dot read and number of bytes, and wow, we have the data. We're gonna do send data, and we send data to the client and then close the connection and shut down the socket, and then we just call the send file function. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, please support me. Thank you for watching.